I'm outside of our showroom. We want to replace this door with a new exterior door. I love this door. I love the color. It's the original door, but it has seen its days. So we need to keep the weather out, especially the snow and the cold. Paul is gonna walk us through replacing this door with a new exterior door.
Right then, so to measure accurately for this door, you're gonna need to know what this component is, and this one, and this one, and that one, and that one, okay? Labeled as such. This is the brick mold, and that's gonna be removed in order to be able to get the full width measurement of your rough opening. Or on the interior, it's called the casing. So you have to remove that in order to see where your studs line up and get the width. So brick mold, this is the stop. That's what the door closes up against. And then just behind that is your actual door jamb, okay? Then you have your threshold at the bottom, and this old beauty is the slab. So to get the door height, you're gonna have to measure from the finished floor to the bottom of the framing. And again, you're gonna have to either pull off the brick mold or the interior casing to be able to eyeball the framing so that you can get your full rough opening height. So get your measurements, and if you have any last goodbyes to your old door. Kate, do you have any last goodbyes here? Okay, go to Rustica and pick your brand new door.